I'm Michelle.
And I'm Jerry Dixon.
And here we're back for our third series on choosing your kitchen. Today we're going to talk about styles. So how I view style is not a dictation of wealth, but really your imagination. There's lots of different styles in this world, but what kind of kitchen styles are there, Jerry?
Well, there's 1,000 styles, but I break it down into three.
Mm-hmm.
So you have a classic style, that's like the crown moldings, the thick corbels, the fluted columns. It's what most Albertans like. Next one is transitional, which is between the modern and the classic. So
Kind of in between.
In between.
Mm-hmm.
And then of course there's the modern, and that's shiny and new is what I call it.
Mm-hmm.
So people like clean cuts, clean lines, no moldings, just as simple as you can get, and that's called modern.
Oh.
I like the classic just because there's more work into it.
Mm-hmm.
Like it's more details. If you go with the modern, I like it if it's done modern properly. That means all the lines and the grains line up.
On the budget scale of things, would you put any particular style of kitchen on one end of the spectrum or the other?
With the modern style, you can get alternative materials. So you can get textured melamines and stuff, which will lower your budget a lot.
Mm-hmm.
Whereas if you went with a classic, there's not much you could do. You have to use real wood. You have to, use real corbels, and you have to. So it's a lot more work.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Perfect. Thank you very much, Jerry.
Yeah, thanks.
So there you have it. There are the different styles. If you want to go with something more of a modern age, you got the modern style, you got a happy in between, or you can go with the classic style for a more contemporary look.